Some arguments aren't meant to be won. They're meant to be outgrown. The loudest voice in the room, usually the one most afraid of being unheard. But the rare mind knows silence is a weapon, not weakness, but strategy. Because every second you waste explaining yourself is a second stolen from your future. Let them talk. Let them post. Let them judge. You build. There was a time you would have clapped back, tried to prove you were right, needed to be understood. But now, you've evolved. You don't speak to be heard. You act to be remembered. Think of the sculptor. They don't yell at the marble. They don't argue with critics. They chip and chip in silence until the masterpiece reveals itself. Silence is their advantage, just like it is yours. Because the rare mind knows energy wasted on noise is energy subtracted from greatness. You don't owe the world a response. You owe yourself a result. Let your silence be louder than their noise. Let your actions become your explanation. Let your work be your voice. If this made you pause, subscribe to Stellar Stride Media, where the loud go viral, but the rare go legendary.